Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to exercise at a home gym for beginners. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get started with their home gym. And so if you're like me, I was a complete beginner when it came to working out at home, and I did extensive research as far as what I should get. And so let me go over my equipment first and then go over how to actually work out using it. So with this, I first started off by clearing some space in my home. So whether you have a spare bedroom, a garage, or a basement, the mats that you see here are 8 by 9 feet. Okay, so that's more than enough room for me to actually work out. And so with that, I got these horse stall mats from my local Tractor and Supply Company store. They're each around $30. So I spent around $200 for the mats. Now, even before I had the mats, the way that I was working out from home is that I would have this bench. I have those adjustable dumbbells, and then I had this pull-up bar here. And so for about 1.5 years, I was basically hitting all major muscle groups just with a set of dumbbells and also a bench and a pull-up bar. And then with that, I eventually upgraded this year to the centerpiece that you see right here. So this right here is the RipFit M1 version 2.0 Smith Machine Power Rack Combo. So it's a dual pulley system with a seated row attachment, a landmine attachment. You've got a pull-up bar up top, and you've got attachments and storage cases on the back of the rack as well. And of course, you also have the Smith Machine bar. But with this rack, I'm able to do a wide range of exercises, which just makes working out and exercising at home a lot more enjoyable. So if you're just starting out, honestly, you can get by with just a set of dumbbells and a bench. But if you're looking to diversify your exercises and have the room, then you can get this power rack that you see right here. And so what's cool about RipFit is that they actually give you example exercises that you can do here. So you can take the time to pause the video, but they divide it based on upper body and lower body workouts. But of course, this list isn't exclusive. You can do so much more on this power rack that you see right here based on the movements that you see right here. So you can work out chest, tris, back, buys, shoulders, legs, core. It's a really neat piece of machine, and this is my first power rack that I've ever gotten, so I don't have anything physical to compare it to. I really don't have any negative remarks about this power rack that I've gotten, aside from I just wish that the Smith Machine bar could sit a bit higher just so that I could actually go underneath it. So I'm about like 5 feet and 9 inches, and I just have to duck ever so slightly just so that my head doesn't hit the Smith Machine bar when it's racked up on top. And so with this rack, you could also use it as a free standing Olympic bar rack as well on the front portion of the power rack. But yeah, if you're looking to train at home for beginners, this is a really great starter. They also include, like I mentioned, a workout poster that I'm gonna hang on my wall, but overall very pleased with it.